This is Ellery. Ellery's just a beautiful black and white medium hair girl. She's about 2 years young. She is super sweet. Loves attention. Loves belly rubs. Can you see her belly? Oh, yeah, she loves belly rubs. She gets along with other cats, and she seems unfazed by dogs that we've had in the lobby here. Seems like she'd probably get along pretty good with kids. She's a little bit shy at first, but she's very gentle and very sweet. She is at the Manchester Animal Shelter, and she's just waiting for her forever family to come in and meet her. Right, Ellery?